make some faces at her again? She thinks that's funny. Want to get close and touch her nose with your nose? Aw, she made her laugh, Ben. Nice job. Want to get close and give her another big smile? Charlotte.
Charlotte.
What's she looking at? She's looking at the pattern on the chair, I guess. She wants you to sing her a song. Why don't you sing her a song? You all done?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Q, R, S, T, V. D, F, U, F, do, that, do. Do, that, do, do, do. Oh, what's this?
Yeah, hang on.
What's it?
Or take a peek at her. She's trying to sit back up. Oh, hang on. She's trying to sit up again. You wanna take her finger and help her sit up a little bit? Hold her hand like this. You hold her other hand. We'll pull gentle, gentle, gentle. There, she's sitting up again. It's hard work for her to sit up. She's so little. Where did he go, Charlotte? Did he fall over? Yeah. Oh, look, she's trying to sit up. She's trying real hard.
Can I take a picture of Charlotte?
Okay, hang on. Let me just turn this one off.